and lift your legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Stop. Hands on your hip joint. Hit your heels on your buttocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Take your legs sidewise. Legs out, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Stop. Put the legs apart. Turn your both the legs to the left side. Put the hand in front of your chest. Imagine you're having a bow on your left hand and you're having an arrow on your right hand. You need to pull the right hand, pull the arrow back side by bending the left knee joint. Warrior. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When you are bending the knee, you need to exhale. 8, 9, 10 and stop. Change your side. Both the hands forward, inhale. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and stop the practice. Both the legs are apart. Turn your right leg right side, left leg left side. Make a fist on your finger. Inhale forcefully. Exhale forcefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, just like Kung Fu. Both the legs together. Take both the hand forward. Rotate your hand. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Exhale. 4, 5. And reverse direction. Inhale. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and palm on your knee joint. Rotate the knee joint clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse direction. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stop the practice. Legs are apart. Keep your hand on your hip joint. Rotate the hip joint. Clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse direction. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Bring both the hand in front of your chest. Inhale. Exhale, twist your body right side. Inhale. Exhale, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 now. Inhalation happen automatically. Just exhale. Exhale. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Stop the practice. Take both the hands. Inhale deeply. Arch back. And exhale. Swing your body 2 times. When you go down, exhale and again inhale. Come back. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are having back pain, you should not do too much. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and stop the practice. Stop. Legs are apart. 1 meter distance between both the legs. Both the hands shoulder level. Inhale. Exhale, bend right side. 1 inhale. Exhale, bend left side. 2 inhale. 3, 4, 5 inhale. Exhale. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and hold right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then inhale. Exhale, hold left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale deeply, center. And exhale. Body down. Alternate toe tossing. Inhale. Exhale. 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 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and hold right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Inhale. Exhale, another side, left side. 1, 2, keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And inhale. Center. Exhale. Release your hand. Both the legs together. And now you can do this one. Either you can do like this, or you can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and stop the practice. Place your palm on your knee joint. Inhale through nose. Exhale forcefully from mouth. Lie on your back to Savasana. Relaxing. Savasana. Lie down on your back. Observe the changes happening throughout the body and mind. Natural flow of breath. Do not manipulate the breathing. Just watch the changes happening on your abdomen area, up and down.